Please subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's Art by Donna. And today we're going to do a real getting ready for St. Patty's Day pour. It's going to be a green on green. And this is going to be a green on green cloud pour. Yep. It's green and green. And that's it. No other colors. So my base is a very light green. And this is a very emerald green. And we are going to see what beautiful pearls we're going to get from this. And hopefully we're going to get something beautiful. So, wish me luck. Got nice shading in there, so that's looking good. So let's give it a whirl. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm going to put that down. I have some interesting pearls here. I have that interesting banding all around it. That is, I've never seen anything like that before. Kind of looks like when you blow it. That's something new. I'm going to try and dry my hands up here. Wow. Okay. Looks like everything is purling up here. Oh. Quite interesting, if I do say so myself. I'm going to shut it off, and we'll come back in about a half hour or more. About a half hour is good. Okay, I'm back, and this is really turns into something very interesting. I've never seen such strange looking pearls, and this this part right here, these I guess when I take you in for the close-up, you'll see what I mean. These little interesting swirls, curlicues that popped up all by themselves. They look like green fire, I guess you can call it. That looks really interesting to me too. Yeah, so, and this gray, the gray that it turned gray under there. Well, whatever it is, it's interesting. I actually, it's growing on me. In the beginning, I was like, what is this? What kind of composition is this? But yeah, it's growing on me. I do like it. Actually, that gray is looking kind of silver to me now. So this was just emerald green and my leftover paints from a previous pour. With my, it had a lot of satin enamel in it. Not satin enamel, it had the bear. It had bear enamel in here, bear marquee. And yeah, so yeah, I like it. I like it. It grew on me. So thanks for coming. If you're a green artist, please join our pour parade. We'd love to have you. Comment below if you're interested. It's going to be on St. Patrick's Day or around St. Patrick's Day. We'll give the date as it gets a little closer. So join us, yeah. So this is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Yeah, green thumb today. Bye-bye now.